So these are the terms given. So he's asking to find the head loss due to friction for a length of 50 meters of the pipe. So first write down the given data. So what are all the things which are given are, whether you have copied the question? Anil?
No, sir.
Okay, I will wait. Write down the given data. Diameter of the pipe D equal to 300 mm. So convert that in terms of meters. 0.3 meter. So length of the pipe is given 50 meter. Next, kinematic viscosity is given nu equal to 0.4 stroke, that is written as 0.4 divided by 10,000. So that can be written as 0.4 into 10 power minus 4 meters square per second. Right. So he has given discharge is equals to 300 liters per second. So convert this discharge liters per second into meter cube per second. So 1 liter is nothing but 1 by 1000 meter cube. So 300 by 1000 gives 0.3 meter cube per second. So from this you can find velocity if you have area. Okay. So first you can find out the area before writing this velocity. So capital A equal to, how to find area? A equal to pi by 4 d square.
Into 0.3 whole square.
Pi by 4 into d square. Okay, so first calculate the area. Yes, what is the area value you got? Pi by 4 into 0.3 square.
0.0706 meters square.
Good, right? So now we can find velocity by using the discharge and area. So V equal to Q by A. So 0.3 divided by 0.0706. Right. So what
4.24
4.24
meter.
4.24. What are the units for velocity?
Meter per second.
Okay. Meter per second. Good. Please copy this. Right. So after getting your velocity, now what we can do, we can find HF using Darcy equation. So for that, we need to find the Reynolds number first. So find the Reynolds number. After writing this, find out the Reynolds number. So Reynolds number RE equal to VD by mu. So velocity already we found out 4.24 into diameter already we know 0.3 meters per second and kinematic viscosity 0.4 into 10 power 4. Substitute all this, will get your Reynolds number. So tell me the Reynolds number, what you're getting.
Sir, 31800.
31800. Okay, so see here whether it is greater than 4000 or not. It is greater than 4000, so F will become 0.079 to the divided by RE power 1 by 4. So now substitute 31800 in place of RE, we will find F value. Okay, 0.079 divided by 31800 to the power of 1 divided by 4. Okay, so F value you can find out. F equal to
5.91 into 10 to the power of minus 3.
5.91 into 10 power minus 3.
Yes, sir.
split. So 5.91 into 10 power minus 3 is your F value. So now use the Darcy equation for finding the head loss due to friction. So HF equal to 4FL V square by 2 GD. So substitute all the values here. So 4 into F is this one. Okay, substitute the values. Four into
3.61323, sir.
3.613. Right,
Yes,
so this
sir.
is 3.613 meter. Okay, so let me write here 4 into F values 5.91 into 10 power minus 3. Into L. What is L?
50.
50. So L value is 50 into V square. Velocity we got as 4.24. 4.24 square.
4.2.
Right, 4.24 square divided by 2 into 9.81 into diameter 0.3. Then we'll get this one. Okay, so this completes our problem. So we can copy this. So this is the loss of head created because of the friction loss. That is 3.61 meters of losses are done because of the friction. Right. So if you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, you can leave the class. Time is over. We'll join the next class. Okay, thank you. Yes, any doubts? If you have, you can ask me. Otherwise, you can leave the class. Thank you. Okay, I'm stopping the share. If you want me to wait, you can inform me.